So what were we? Space engineers. Oh yeah, we were doing the survival hell scenario that we downloaded. That's what we were doing. Alright, so where we left off? We left off with getting ourselves the trailer up and running. I remember that. And I think that's pretty much where we were. Now, as you can tell, I fused both vehicles together. I have thrusters all over the place. Not too many, but enough to make it work. I have a survival bin now. I have a survival kit. I have my turret on the back. I have some cargo containers. I've got things moved around. The oxygen generator has been moved, and so on and so forth. Still don't have a sealed cockpit, but we can live with that. Now, the truck is on. All thrusters are off. So thrusters on. And we can actually fly our ship now. It's not fast. Don't get me wrong. What's this over here? Weather station. Oh. Let's go check that out. See if that's any interesting. I can probably get some power from over there. That's where we were trying to go. See this? All this rough terrain? This was our problem. There was no way we were going to get this thing moving correctly through that. So, we went through the headache and hassle of giving ourselves a bit of a flying brick. I guess flying brick's the best way to describe this thing. It's got some lateral thrusters, though they're not great. Like I said, it does not have many thrusters in any particular direction. It's got enough to keep us in the air. So it goes at 8 to get us in the air. It has 2 forward, 2 reverse. And you notice thrusters are booking pretty hard. And I have 3 on each side. So we're not even really well thrustered. But it's operational. I do have the generator, so I can start generating power once we're on the ground, but our batteries are full. I was charging up my batteries before we left. Now I do have 2 regular sized batteries. I did not have the parts to make warfare batteries. Trust me, I wish I could. But, you know, those are a huge deal. Okay. There we go. There she is, one weather station. Okay, so our upper thrust. Slow her down. And we'll come into land near the station. I don't think this is going to have any guns on it. I pray it doesn't. In fact, where's my gun? Is my gun? How do I turn the gun off? Do I have something for the gun? No. Hold on. Turret. I only have the one turret. On off. There we go. I'd rather have it off than have it start shooting resources. If it's gonna start shooting at me, I'll turn her around. But I don't think this one's gonna have shots at me, considering it's a weather station. I think that's a bunch of dead bodies. That does not look good. Alright, let's take a stone on the ground. Alright, we're on the ground now. Now let's turn our engines off. Save the power. Alright. Oh no! Which way is it falling? It's not? The bomb's detonated and it's not falling over? Are you serious? Now these are small frames. So cryopods, survival kits. Oh wow, that's awesome. You know, I wish I'd gotten here before I had my meltdown. But I guess it's okay. Because this had tons of resources we could have used to rebuild the ship. It's got a bunch of batteries. It's got a bunch of containers. It's got ammunition and all kinds of wonderful stuff. Right, let's get it all pushed into the cargo container here. But these are definitely worth it. There's solar panels up there. And there's a lot of cargo containers. We got survival kits, which I don't need. They've got ammo, which I can use. And they've got some ice. Lots of ice. Lots of ice. Can we get this to a hydrogen tank? No, I cannot get to the hydrogen tank. Of course not. But we'll transfer everything else anyway. So hydrogen tanks are... So I kinda want to take this thing and stick one on top. I don't have a crane, but I kinda want one. I kinda want to put one on top. Okay, so if we're going to put one on top, then what we want to do is we want to make sure that we fill out all of the things down here that need to be filled out. this does need to have some more guts to it. But we'll work with what we've got. So let's actually explore this a little bit. I mean, when it blew up, it depressurized it. So not a big deal there. Okay. Anything on that? Ooh, lots of motors. Lots of computers. Ooh, that's really good too. Power cells. Oh man. Superconductors? Wow. This is gonna be sweet. Yes, unload. Fine, I'll go to the other end. Unload. Okay, so lots of parts really useful. There is a data pad. You're still there. Can you do one more thing? Okay. can you disable the communications completely before, you know? I think this will be the last time you get a message from me, so, okay. Okay. So, looks like the bomb was supposed to disable communications. Does this have a... No, it's on manual. Is it on manual? Or is it actually scripted? No, it's actually got a script on it. That's kind of cool. No, it's not. Never mind. This is the default script. Never mind. That's cool. Okay. So, nothing useful. Okay. We'll just take everything useful out of this. The programmer block I don't really need. There's an abandoned outpost that way. Alright, so GPS. We got a bunch of stuff. Hella base, Hella space, Osiris outposts, Osiris locations outposts, some shuttles, a stinger. I don't even know where all these GPSs came from. I didn't make them. Alright. I know that a frozen ship's down there. Let's make a GPS here. Okay, so we're good there. Well, we could use a few more thrusters. With all these batteries? Still got a couple hours of battery power left. So, we're only 3K from the ship? I guess we'll go check it out. Easy does it. Oh, beautiful. Alright, thrusters off. Get us on the ground. Landing gears are on. Good to go. Well, positive note. We have a Paris-class ship. Negative note. I think we're snookered. Bad. Okay. Alright. Let's see what we've got first. Maybe there's something good here. Maybe not. What's that? Power kits. Well, it's got a fully functional fully built jump drive. I guess that's a positive thing. I guess that's positive. I think about that as a positive. Alright, here we go. Well, let's go ahead and transfer it to me. Take ownership of that. So what do we have? We have lights, some advanced rotors, a lot of batteries. And the batteries are let's see here. Low power, but functional. A couple of control ports, some cameras. Okay. The doors, side doors. Some other doors. What are these? Radafangen. Radafangen. Oh, they're generators. No, wait. No, they're not. What are these? Wheels? Yeah, they are. They're wheels. There's some O2 farms. Control panels? Yeah, button panels. Some spotlights. Some doors. More spotlights. More doors. A beacon. Some connectors. Some wheels. And a yield module. Okay. Oh, we're supposed to get up to the top somehow. So, yes. We have a large, frozen, useless hunk of rock. Is it salvageable? Yes. Is it useful? Not really? Oops. Like I said, it's got a jump drive. That's useful. That's some conveyor stuff. That's useful. But for the most part, it's just a big pile of iron. It's got some useful bits. Building a large ship from scratch. going to take a while. However, hydrogen thrusters on a small frame, CB22 metal grids per. And metal grids.
Energy low.
Goodness, I can't even make metal grids in here. So I'll need an assembler. We'll need a large container, an assembler, batteries, thrusters. Okay. Well, that's tomorrow's problem. I have another one downstairs, so I don't really need this to rack it on. So tomorrow we'll figure out what our next step is, and probably try and find ourselves a way to build a ship.